Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Maxzina Window Deflectors. I'm going to be doing a unboxing, I'm going to install it, and then give y'all my final thoughts. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright guys, so here's the package that I received from Maxzina. As you can see here, we have the window deflectors. Each of them are labeled FR for front right or FL front left. We got the two back windows. We got this nice little sheet that shows you everything that's included. And then we have this package. It comes with some gloves, a little brochure that tells you how to install it. Also comes with the adhesion promoters, little tool so you can put the clips after you install them. The clips push out your visors to where it doesn't hit your window. And then I like how they also include some double-sided tape just in case, you know, you have problems down the line or something, you can just reapply the tape. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and jump into the installation process. Alright guys, so I have the windows rolled down. I'm going to go ahead and take my adhesion promoter, and what you want to do is just take this and put it alongside the inside right here where the glue is going to be sticking. Just inside this first channel right here. Just want to make sure you see all that dirt. You don't want that. You want to make sure it's nice and clean. Just go along in here. Just make sure you really get it nice and clean. Alright, so I wiped it down, so let's go ahead and get our first visor. Alright, double check. This one does say front right. So let's take this thing out. So this is going to fit just like so. I'm probably just going to go ahead and just take this off just because it's probably going to get in my way. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just peel this one completely off. Sorry for the background noise. My neighbor is cutting his yard. That one's completely off. Probably peel that one halfway. And a little bit on this side too. Like so. Alright, gonna go ahead and just stick this in between the channels. Probably need to start from the front first. And then kind of just bend it. Stick it in just like that. Remove this nice and gently. You don't want this breaking off. Like so. And then you want to kind of just firmly press it against the inside channel like that. And that's it. You have installed your first window deflector. Let's go ahead and get onto the back. I almost forgot, we have to install the two clips. So the clips are going to go right here and at the top right there. Take your first clip and you just want to put it right in here. I believe that's in there. And then take your second clip, just like that. Second clip is in there. Alright, so we're at the back window now. Do the same thing like you did in the front. Just go ahead and just wipe on the inside right here. See how dirty that is? You don't want any of that to be on there when you go to install it. Just make sure and give it a good wipe down. That should be good. And again, just peel off the red tape. Dang, I have no fingernails, so this is kind of impossible right now. Peel that off. I'm just gonna take the whole thing off. And then this one. All right, finally got it. Then just stick it in. Just like so. Give it a good pull. Then take your 2 clips. So yeah guys, this is the finished result. You can see it fits nicely on there. So yeah guys, I'm pretty stoked out about how easy this install was. I have no complaints about it. If y'all have any questions, please leave a comment down below. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the product description. So if you want to grab yours, you can grab yours off of Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the other side, and then I'll catch y'all again on the next video. All right guys, hope y'all have a great weekend. Later.